Hello everyone. Today, we're demonstrating how to install the Dazuma Black Square waterproof solar pillar light. Before installation, make sure the power to the installation area. Package includes one remote control, one user manual, one expansion screw accessory pack, and one Black Square waterproof solar pillar light. Step 1. Remove the 4 screws from the bottom of the product. Step 2. Separate the product body from the base plate. Step 3. Place the base plate at your desired installation location. Mark the mounting points, then drill the holes. Step 4. Insert the 4 wall anchors into the drilled holes. Due to site conditions, we were unable to use the expansion screw accessory pack included with the product. Step 5. Align the holes in the base plate with the drilled holes. Then secure the base plate using the long mounting screws. Step 6. Place the product body back onto the base plate, then reinstall the 4 bottom mounting screws removed in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.